Dr. Fazlur Rahman Ansari, one of the most eminent scholars of the last century, died in 1974, says, Islamic scholars, limited by their one-sided education, are confined to mosques, leading mostly uneducated or less educated Muslims, while leadership in other fields has shifted to those with secular education. This is the dire need of the time, that Muslim intelligentsia must sit together and think what measures should be taken to educate Muslim students in all fields of sciences and disciplines. How can they Islamize the secular education, and what can be done to train the trainers, to train the teachers, and what should be done to change the syllabus which is being taught in our Islamic madrasas and equip our students in madaris to confront the modern challenges. Likewise, eschewing from religious extremism and conservatism and ultra-modernism, we have to be orthodox in our basic fundamental articles of faith, but on the other hand, we have to be dynamic and think how can we apply all those eternal principles which were given to us by Almighty God and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam in the present age.